Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue our part lesson, a snake charmer story. About this, we are able to complete today lesson. So remaining part we are going to discuss now. Starts from do you know of the many kinds of snakes found in our country. Many different species of snake we are going to find in our India. Only four types of snakes are poisonous. Among them, four types of snakes are there poisonous, very dangerous. They are cobra, common crate, Russell's, viper, dubia, saw-scaled, viper, aphid. So these four varieties of snakes are there. These are very poisonous. Then, a snake has two hollow teeth, fangs. See, children, snakes has two hollow teeth. From that only, poisonous it's ejecting out. Poison is ejecting out. When it bites the when it bites, the poison enters the person's body through the fangs. See, when it bites a person, from that holes only, poison is getting entered to that person's body through that fangs. There is a medicine for snake bites. Medicine also is there. How the treatment is going on for this snake bite? Let us see. The medicine is made from the snake's poison and is available in all government hospitals. See, children, this snake bite for that medicine is used to prepare by the medicine are going to prepare by this snake poison only to give a treatment for that snake bited person. So these are four snakes they were given. First, on this left side, cobra, then touching to that, dubia, crate, aphid. These are the four species of snakes are there. Then right, like snakes, charmers, which other people depend on animals for their livelihood. Children, you are going to write the answer for this. Like a snake charmer, how they are depending on the snake their livelihood, no, like that other people also there in a society, in and around of our society only, just look after them and write those family names or that person's name. Survey people who keep animals. Just survey in your area how many people they kept the animals. Talk to some people in your neighborhood who keep one or more animals for their livelihood. For example, a horse for tonga, hens for eggs, etc. See, children, you are in your area, you may be going to see like these people, those they are having the animals in their home. For horse, they used to have the tonga, by that their livelihood they are getting, by the hand they are getting eggs, with that they are used to get their livelihood. Okay, children, then next, name the animals they keep. Which animal they kept in their in their home, that animal name you are writing. How many animals are there? How many animals are there total? One, two, three, like that you are writing. Is there a separate place for animals? Place for the animals. Is there made a separate place for these animals? About that you are writing. Then children, next, who looks after them? Who is going to take care about those animals? About that you are writing. What do the animals eat? Then what it's going to eat? Fodder, cat is there, milk. So different animal, different kinds of their fodder is there, that you are writing. Do the animals ever fall ill? What does the keeper do then? Do animals ever fall ill? Means any sometimes animals are going to fall ill. At that time, what these animal keeper they used to do? They used to consult the doctor, animal doctor in that area or in that district place. Some more questions and discuss. Like this, some questions you prepare and write the answers. Make a report on your project and read it out in the class. Make a project on these animals and read it in whenever offline classes we are conducting at that time. Make a snake puppet. Children, puppet means here in Kannada, Gombe. Doll. Take an old paper of socks, not paper, it is sorry. Take an old pair of socks, put one on your arm. See, old pair of socks you take, it may be greenish color, it's good. Stick buttons or bindis for the eyes. Stick buttons for bindis or for buttons for as eyes. Cut out a long red strip of paper for using as a tongue and stick it in the place as shown. See, already it is shown in that image. Like that tongue you are preparing and put in that way how they were shown here. Then it shows, then it appears like a tongue. On the other side of the paper, make a V-shaped cut. Other V-shaped kind of cut you are going to make it. Then your snake is ready. So in this way you are going to prepare a snake. And children, what we learned from this chapter about that we are discussing now. The government has made a law that no one can catch and keep snakes. Government has made a rules that no one should not catch the animal and snakes and should not keep. What do you think about this law? Yes, children, what you are going to think whether it is right or wrong? Yes, children, it is right. We are going to protect our animal species, which are it is day by day it is to vanish. So that animals species we are going to protect by the government of India, by the government of India Act or government of India Act, which it is introduced law by that law. Give reasons for your answer and write and your own words. See what I told you, that one you are writing in your own handwriting. So children, this is about today's reference video. So please kindly share this one to that many WhatsApp groups. It will help to those children, those they are not going to school, for them it is helpful is that. So children, kindly share maximum WhatsApp groups of your father and mother and your parents. Already I told you their cell phone and cell phone WhatsApp. Please share it, and relatives, friends, for them also inform to share this one.